Today, we will talk about a very important sunnah, and that is the cleaning of pubic hair. This act is part of the Sunnah al-Fitra, the natural practices that every Muslim should observe for cleanliness and purity. The Messenger of Allah said, 5 things are from the Fitra: circumcision, trimming the mustache, clipping the nails, removing the hair from the armpits, and shaving the pubic hair. Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. This shows that it is an essential part of Islam's teachings on hygiene and purification. Now the question is, from where to where should the hair be removed? The correct way is to begin just below the navel. It is preferable to start from the right side, because in Islam starting from the right is recommended in good actions. Then the hair around the private parts should be removed, and if there is hair around the testicles or near the anus, that should also be cleaned to ensure complete hygiene and to prevent any unpleasant odor or impurity. As for the method and tools, one may use a razor, a trimmer, or scissors, but the tools must always be clean and safe to avoid any harm to the skin. Some people prefer a trimmer for quick cleaning, while others use a razor. Traditionally both are fine, as long as caution is taken. After cleaning, the area should be washed thoroughly with water so that no impurity remains. Using soap or a cleansing product is also allowed to achieve better hygiene. Now, how often should this be done? The Prophet gave clear instruction. We were given a time limit to trim the mustache, cut the nails, pluck the armpit hair, and shave the pubic hair, and that we should not leave it for more than 40 days. Sahih Muslim. This means that the maximum allowed period is 40 days. However, it is better to clean every 7 days, and if not possible, then at least within 15 days but never exceed 40 days. Finally, remember that the purpose of removing pubic hair is only to follow the Sunnah and to maintain personal cleanliness, not for fashion or showing off. This should always be done privately and modestly, maintaining the value of haya, modesty and shyness. Islam teaches us not only acts of worship, but also gives us a complete system of hygiene, purity, and health in our daily lives. Would you like me to make this English script simpler and conversational like spoken in a video for a general audience, or keep it formal and scholarly the way it is?